Alright, welcome back to another video on my channel, math_exe. And today we're going to look at an interesting factorial question. So it says that find the largest prime factor of 16 factorial plus 18 factorial. And I also put out a challenge right here, so but I won't do it on this video. You can just try it on your own as well. So for the challenge, you need to express 20 factorial plus 23 factorial as a factorial times b, where a is an integer and b is a prime. And for the question that I'm going to do it today is involves a tip. So it says express the definition of a factorial in a unique way, then interpret it in the problem. So that's what I'm going to do for this. So we know the definition of a factorial, and factorial is just the products of all integers until 1. So let's write dot dot dot, and then there's 3 times 2 times 1. However, we can just look this in a different way. Notice that notice this insane product right here. This is just the same as n minus 1 factorial, right? It's just a product of all integers below n minus 1. So yeah, so we can just look this in some various ways using this technique. You can also look at this product right here, n minus 2, and then you can just say this is just n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 factorial. And then you can just do the same thing all over again. So yeah, so let's just write our expression right here. So we have 16 factorial plus 18 factorial. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this 18 factorial as follows. So we have 18 times 17 times 16 factorial. And notice that I just use this identity right here. So we can just express n factorial in different ways. And notice I choose to stop at 16 factorial because there's some pretty nice factoring that happens. So we can just factor out a 16 factorial out of this expression. So 16 factorial on the front, and what's left after factoring out this is just 1. And what's left after factoring out a 16 factorial after is just 18 times 17. And then we can just work things out. So we have 16 factorial. This product will be 1 plus, after calculating it, you will get 306. And then you will get 16 factorial multiplied by 307. However, we don't really care about the factorial because that is not what we wanted to look at. We're looking at the greatest prime factor. So obviously 16 factorial is contains some composite factors, so we don't want to look at that. However, we want to look at 307, and notice this is a prime number. If you want to try it out, you can just divide by some numbers like 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, and you will not get an integer result. So our answer for this question is the largest prime factor of this expression right here is there we go. So again, I won't do the challenge question, but you can just post your answers in the comments down below. So anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.